moment of reality with Mr. K at the restaurant, at the fancy restaurant. So guys, first of all, we're given a menu that like we didn't understand the language, and then also we just had to tell the chef to just give us anything. So this is anything he gave us, and my boy here is just stuck with it. My girl, are you enjoying, my girl? Enjoy. Mr. K, what is happening? Why come along? Yours is better, Mr. K. So guys, I don't want to lie, it's tough. It's tough, I don't want to lie. But again, keep watching, guys, till the end.
Ija.
Mr. K, okay?
Ija. What are you doing? I don't know, what is that?
Let's try it. Let me not put it aside.
I end up with these nails for it. But I meant to end up with these nails.
Mr. K, no problem. Wait, I know what to do. I got it, guys, I got it.
Would you like that one? How is it? The taste is not in yet.
It's actually good.
Huh?
It's actually very good.
It's fish. What is that? What is that, babe? What is that? What is that? What is that?
It's not what I thought it was gonna be.
Huh?
It's not what I thought it was gonna be. It's very good.
I'm wondering, Josephine, so it's for a pila.
Don't worry, Mr. K. There's first time for everything. Let's just enjoy ourselves. You don't have to be perfect to enjoy this.
Is this okay? What are you eating?
Poroto.
Kala ko jab roto fela mo. Na. Enjoy life. Enjoy, my babe.
Oh, not telling me. Telling me it's tomato bread. Why is it on top of the bread? Why is these two items?
Nails.
Can you tell me how the thing is? I don't eat fish. I don't eat fish. Maybe just eat. It's nice. Yo, guys, now I'm enjoying this bread. It's nice.
Is it nice?
Now I decided to just enjoy with the bread.
We said there's no toppings, right?
My baby's struggling to eat.
There's no toppings,
What she doesn't know. But she's going to end up eating it anyway.
And they eat toppings.
Lovey. Is it nice? Guys, we are trying to make it. I can see metsi ba bitsa eng mara ke ba re ke re wa ja metsa 10 ba re wa ja je mara nna ka wa tshaba, guys. So guys, what's happening right now is I am trying to analyze hore ke reng ka dijo tse mo pilaka, because na ke bone dijo mo ke bona metsi ka re ne ile metsa di chela I ke itse wa itse Bona o fetsa wa peya and then o tshele metsi mo pitseng. Ke yona taba ne. I get so hurry and no kidding. Come here, guys. Born now. Like,
Why sorry?
I can't say kidding. Come here,
The chicken.
Bona, guys.
So guys, you know, now I was given a salad, ne? Salad thing. Kiwana carrot chicken. Hey, I human, right? Yeah, I human. It's about who else squad because of Honolulu to my promote to one Simotukulinam. But other than that, the rest of the thing is sharp, I no stress, whitey. You know, ipila man, you know, ipila, you can see the whole restaurant is beautiful. You understand? You can see, but even the whole restaurant, even the ceiling is beautiful. Understand? So, you know, understand? Even that side, you can see it's beautiful. It is beautiful.
Cold today?
No, I'm feeling cold. Feeling cold today. Yeah, because of the air cold. Yeah. Meti fela. Hi, tajadile wena. Yeah, but anyway, restaurant guys, it's sharp white, it's pila man, you know. It's pila, you can see in J. We are quite restaurant thing is beautiful. So beautiful. Understand? Even that side.
Okay, you wanna taste it also?
Yeah. Nah, man, I need my meal. Thank you so much. Thank you. All right, thank you. All right, thank you so much. Thank you so much. So, I want
like this
main course na guys. I want main course ya ka e.
Thank you, baby.
Yeah.
But don't take mine.
Course ya rona guys. Ki want main course ya rona e na. Na wele number ki na main course bamfa cheese fela ba ki main course ya ka. Bamfa cheese. Bana jusa mwana ka ba ki main course le. Vitro la ka. Bela ka. Cheese.
I'm now overwhelmed.
Enjoy. Enjoy, Baba. Enjoy the meal. Enjoy the meal. We're going there. We're gonna go to the buffet after here, guys. I can't.
Okay, starter course. Yeah. And this was the second course. And then this is the main meal, which we're eating now. 3 bites of food.
Yeah.
And this is even shrimp. I don't eat shrimp.
That's it.
Where's the soup? Plain rice.
Look at Jake. Madam Guy? Yeah, lewa restaurant. Gas tempo na pa.
I eat it my way.
No, it's kind of game. It's great anyway. It's fun.
It's very fun.
It's fun. It makes me laugh.
It's very fun.
That's why I want to come.
What?
It's interesting.
Oh.
You know what it is? Shrimp. Don't eat it. Shrimp. Right there. Give it to mom.
What is it?
Shrimp. Fish.
Shrimp. Madam K? Madam K?
Yes, sir.
Where for Baza?
Must.